Looking for a smarter way to track your health? Meet the Oura Ring Gen 5, a sleek, smart ring that tracks your sleep, heart health, activity, and recovery 24/7, helping you understand your body better every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Oura Ring Gen 5, size-specific standard charger, USB-C cable, user manual. How to pair. Download the Oura app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then sign in to your existing account or create a new one. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Place the Oura Ring near your device, select it in the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Enter your personal information, choose your health and activity preferences, and allow the requested permissions. Once setup is complete, your Oura Ring is ready to track your sleep, activity, and wellness. How to charge. Place the Oura Ring on the included charging dock and ensure it is properly aligned with the charging contacts. Connect the dock to a USB power source using the included cable, and the ring will begin charging automatically. Leave it on the charger until the battery is full, and check the charging status anytime through the Oura app. How to wear. Wear the Oura Ring Gen 5 on your index, middle, or ring finger, with the sensors positioned on the palm side for the most accurate tracking. Try a few ring sizes to find one that feels snug but comfortable. The ring should stay in place without pinching or feeling too loose. Move and flex your hand to ensure there are no noticeable gaps between the ring and your finger. Wear it for at least 24 hours before deciding on the best size, as finger size can change throughout the day. Smart features. Track your sleep, heart rate variability, activity, stress, and recovery 24/7 using advanced sensors. The Oura app transforms your data into easy-to-understand insights to help you build healthier daily habits. Made from durable titanium, the Oura Ring Gen 5 features a lightweight, slim design that feels comfortable for all-day and overnight wear. Its stylish appearance blends seamlessly with both casual and formal outfits. Enjoy up to 8 days of battery life on a single charge, allowing you to monitor your health without frequent charging. The included charging dock makes recharging quick and convenient. Receive personalized daily scores and recommendations based on your sleep, activity, and recovery data. These insights help you optimize your routine, improve recovery, and make informed decisions about your overall well-being. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.